Howdy everybody, I'm Sam Pfeifle. I'm the editor of SPARPointGroup.com. I'm here with Matt Craig with AVEVA. How you doing, Matt?
Doing very well, thank you, Sam.
Well, I know your big news is the commercial release of Laser Modeler. It's available for purchase now.
That is correct.
Last year, SPAR 2011, you were talking about that it sort of existed.
Right.
Now we can buy it. What's changed in that year? And what have you sort of learned by bringing in LFM? And what are the sort of big selling points for why anybody would want to actually now purchase Laser Modeler?
Well, obviously the Laser Modeler application is unique in the sense that we can take the CADs and specifications from PDMS and directly import them into Laser Modeler, so that way they can build their intelligent model within inside of AVEVA Laser Modeler. Mm-hmm. And then just actually export the macro right back into PDMS, which is full intelligence, which eliminates the need to create a dumb model and then trace over it with PDMS.
Well, exactly. I mean, that's a theme that I'm hearing at SPAR is, why are we bringing this into CAD? We need to get from the point cloud to intelligence much more quickly. We need to much more accurately represent what's real and then use it to actually operate our plants rather than just look at them. So, sounds like that's your philosophy right there too.
That's correct. The owners are really very interested in the asset management side of the business. We talk a lot about intelligent models, and it's one thing to actually take intelligence and create material quantities to physically do your design work and get accurate material takeoffs. But the other aspect is also for decommissioning and managing your assets, from the owner side.
Sure.
And that information needs to be available as well. Some of the tools like AVEVA Laser Modeler and IntelliLaser, which is all tied into the asset management side of the business, gives all that information available. You take the laser scan data deliverable, give it over to the owner operator, and it has a life cycle to it.
Talk a little bit about LFM specifically. Where does that plug in? How did that technology really affect the way that you guys do things?
Well, we started last year recognizing that neutrality was very important. Mm-hmm. You see a variety of different companies here who have good software, but were specific to their hardware. And the challenge is, how do we make the customer much more in control? And we recognize that the neutrality side. So what the very fundamental philosophy of LFM is, it's open on the inputs, which means we can take any scan hardware data and work with any of the CAD software tools. Now, right now, we're currently working with Bentley, Autodesk, Intergraph, and AVEVA, obviously. Yep. And we're going to maintain with that neutrality. The acquisition of AVEVA, the LFM software, AVEVA recognized the importance of having that neutrality, is why we set up the LFM Limited Software, or LFM Software Limited Group.
Sure.
And we're going to continue that process down the road.
Well, great. Well, I think that's exactly what they were looking for out there in video land. So thanks, Matt. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Sam. Appreciate it.
And we thank all of you for watching. We'll see you next time.